welcome to the Madison Weather Channel. Today we have a special report in which we hope to answer the question, how can we determine if climate change is affecting the weather? Let's go to Emily to see what she has to say.
Thank you, Amelia. To start out, we took data from two different locations, specifically Houston, Texas and Dulles, Northern Virginia. These areas are drastically different when it comes to maximum temperatures. To project these differences, we took both the areas' average maximum temperatures and compared them over a period of 10 years during only the month of January. After analyzing these graphs, one could come to conclude that Houston tends to, on average, have higher temperatures than Dulles. Both up and down evenly. Now to Matt.
We use many of the same criteria to measure the average temperature of both Dulles in Northern Virginia and Houston, Texas. These included using the average temperatures only in January and using the last 10 years to make our predictions. The average temperature of Houston, Texas remained closer to the mean temperature of the past 10 years, while the average temperature of Northern Virginia drifted farther away from the mean. In terms of graphing, this can be said as the average altitude of Northern Virginia being greater than that of Houston, Texas. With this information, we can predict that Northern Virginia's temperature will increase or decrease drastically, up to 10 degrees, while Houston, Texas will change very little, as small as 1 degree.
Thank you, Matt and Emily. Now, how do we know if climate change is affecting the weather? Well, even though the highest temperature didn't change very much for either area, and Texas is not predicted to have a large change in average temperature in the future, Northern Virginia is predicted to have a large change in average temperature. From this we can extrapolate that climate change is causing an increase in temperature in Northern Virginia. See you next time on the Madison Weather Channel.